add mods into your Aternos server. So step one, you want to go to your new actual server. Now you could use mods, plugins, whatever you want. So now you want to go to the software right there and click change mission. This will not harm your computer, by the way. So now you're going to get this, and you could choose if you wanted a Bedrock edition. So we have vanilla paper bucket Forge, and this is what's going to be our main. But what if you don't want to download Forge? You want to use Curse Forge. You're just going to click on mod packs. All right. And if you have an ad blocker, continue with that blocker. Now you're going to just click on Curse Forge, but we're going to be using Forge. And when you click on Forge, it's going to say what version do you want to download. Forge on this will be with the mods that you want to be on your Forge. Now I already selected 1.180.1, but now there's like so much plugin. Like there's like there's Glowstone Speed, got Bucket, Paper Bucket, but which one do you choose? I recommend you choosing this one right here. And if you just want plugins, which is /vanish world edit and stuff like that. So yeah, you could just do that on your Aternos server.